Good evening, Nigerians. I just watched a video. I watched a video last week of how a Nigerian living in South Africa was beaten to death by a South African. I don't know. This is just so appalling. I couldn't sleep since that day. My sleep have disappeared because how can you beat a human being, your fellow African, like this? So what I've decided right now, because of that, I told Nigerians to look for a house, and they just got a house. I've paid for the house. It's a mini estate. I paid for the house today. So I want all, if you're a Nigerian, you are living in South Africa, it is because of you I bought this house. Only family people, husband and wife with kids, that are stranded. And the reason they are scared, because coming back home, say, what are you coming back home to do? Because you don't have a house, you don't have most of you have lived there 30 years, 40 years, you don't have a house where to come back to. By the grace of God, I have used the tithe and offering from OPM, and we have bought a mini estate so that all the Nigerians that are stranded, doesn't matter your tribe, doesn't matter your religion, don't care, first you're a Nigerian and you are stranded in South Africa and you are scared, okay, they're telling you to go back to your country. You don't know where to go back, you don't know what to fall back to, because you've lived all your life in South Africa. God has remembered you. So you come back, come to Port Harcourt, go to OPM church, ask of head of welfare. They will look at your document, look at the papers to post, so that to avoid people, a lot of people come and fake. Oh, I just came back from South Africa. Why didn't come back from South Africa? We'll go through your document, verify all your papers, verify your flight and everything. Then we will now give you the free accommodation. Give you the free accommodation in the OPM free estate that I just finished paying for it today. So we'll move you to that place. You stay there. At least your life is more important. You're back home now. Your life is the life of you, your wife, and your kids are important. You've come back home. Then we could have said, let us feed you 3 times a day, but it's not possible because of we are feeding Omega Family, feeding thousands of people every day. So we can't be able to do that. So what we'll do is we'll put you on 1 day a meal for all your family. Each member of your family, 1 day a meal. Then your wife will just start a small petty business for her. Then your kids, will put all of them in OPM free school, so that, you know, because I know you're coming back with nothing. All your business, all your house, everything is in South Africa. So you're coming back with nothing. So you come, we give you this to start up with. Then for those, we'll teach you skills. We have a multi-skill acquisition center where we can teach you skills. Then for the free school, we have about 43 free schools. We'll put you in any of the schools. Put your children in any of the schools. Then you will teach you skills and see how we can put you back on your feet. See, all hope is not lost. It doesn't matter what you have gone through in South Africa. It is not over. God, you can still bounce back. You can still bounce back. I believe strongly that God will restore you back. He says, I shall restore all the years that the cankerworm and caterpillar have eaten. That's what the Lord said. I shall restore unto you all the years that the cankerworm, the caterpillars, the locusts have eaten. So God is going to restore you. Just believe, have faith, and believe that God is going to restore you. So come back than dying in the street of South Africa. They're killing. Upon the one I saw last week, I saw another one again this week again. They are killing. They're killing Nigerians. They're killing Ghanaians. They're killing Liberians. They're killing even Botswana. They're killing them. So please, come back. Then, for the flight, I could have loved, Omega Partners could have loved to send you flight ticket, but because there's a lot of expenses, so we can't handle the flight ticket. But I want to beg federal government, please, can you, those ones that want to come back to Nigeria, can you help them with the flight tickets so they can come back to Nigeria? So they can come back to Nigeria and restart their life, so that they are not killed. They are not killed in South Africa. So please, Then airpiece, please, airpiece, please, can you see I can evacuate this? These are our brothers, these are our sisters stranded in South Africa, please. And I want you to please forward this so they can reach federal government and also can reach Nigerians living in South Africa. So then also you can reach airpiece so that they can evacuate these people and then die. So don't worry, it's not over. There's hope. So don't be afraid that you are coming back to nothing. You will sleep in the street. You won't sleep in the street. I have just acquired this property. It's a story building. It's an estate. You know, can accommodate you and your family for the meantime, so that you can get back to your feet. God loves you. It is not over until you are restored. God bless you.